Are you like me, a beginner on Discord? And do you find it confusing and wonder how can I best set up my account? Hejsan hej! I am PixelPia, and today I want to show you how you can set up your personal account on Discord. So let's move over to my computer. So this is me logged in to my Discord. At the bottom of this list of my friends, you have my profile. You see my name. We have a microphone and a headset, and those are for when you are in a voice channel. And then we have user settings, and that is where we're going today. When you go to user settings, the first thing you see is user profile. I have the possibility to add some things that most users don't have because I have subscribed to something called Nitro. So you cannot set your own background in this piece, but here you have your user profile. You have your username, and you can edit it by clicking right here, your email and your phone number. And you can edit all of those. You can also edit your user profile, and that is the part you write about me. Underneath that part is something that's really important. You can change your password, and then you can enable two-factor authentication. I have enabled that, and I use a two-factor authentication app on my phone. So every time I log in on a device, I need to open the app. So you can choose to use an app like I have, or SMS authentication, which means that you will be sent a message to your phone. Then we have user profile again that you can reach from here. We have privacy and settings. The first part is about DM, direct messaging on Discord servers, and you can choose between these three levels. Keep me safe means that they scan all direct messages, so no unwanted photos show up, for example. The middle section is my friends are nice. That means that they scan all messages except people you are friends with or do not scan. Then we have server privacy default. I have set that I allow direct messaging from server members. We have allow access to age-restricted servers on iOS. Then we have who can add you as a friend. You have the alternatives everyone, friends of friends, or server members. And remember, if you choose server members, that means that anybody that is connected to the same servers you are can add you as friends. Then we have allow friends to join game and allow voice channel participants to join game. I could turn this off because I do not use it as a gamer. And how we use your data, that is the level of data collection you allow Discord to do. I have them all turned off here, but that is up to you how you want it set. And then you can request all the data that Discord has collected about you from here. Next is Authorized Apps. If you are just a user, you don't have your own server, you will probably not see anything here. These are bots that I am using on my servers. And finally, we have connections. You see, I have connected my Twitter and my YouTube channels to my profile, and I have display on profile. And you can see what you can connect up here at the top. The next section in my user settings is billing settings, and here you see Discord Nitro. As I said, Discord Nitro is a paid subscription, and since most of you probably won't have subscribed to Nitro as a beginner, we will not look into this right now. Instead, we will continue down to the settings of the app itself if you are using the app. Under Appearance, you can choose a theme, a dark, a light, or sync with your settings for your computer. You can also choose to just have the sidebars dark. This is the message display. You can change it down here for each section, or you can choose cozy or compact. The next section is accessibility. Here you can change things like saturation, contrast. For most of these you can sync it with your computer settings. You can choose how you want to see stickers and how you want to have your chat input. If you want to just use the enter to send a message, or if you want a button to send your message. And you have also text to speech. The next setting is voice and video, and I will just quickly go over this. What you set up here is your choice of microphone input and output, headset or speakers. You also choose your camera, but more about that when we talk about voice channels. We have text and images, and here you can set up how you want the Discord app to show different things. Under notification, you choose how you want Discord to send you notification, as a desktop notification, if you want them to flash in the taskbar, and so forth. And at the bottom you can pick what type of emails you want to receive. Keybinds. This is just shortcuts. Language. You can choose your own language. Windows settings. This is, in my case, I have Discord is opening automatically when I start my Windows. It starts minimized, so it doesn't open this particular window. It just is running, and it's minimized to the tray when I close it. So if I would hit the little X up here now and close it, it doesn't mean that I close the app, it just minimizes it. The rest of the settings here are more directed to gamers. At the very bottom you have logout. So if you for some reason want to log out from your account, you go to the bottom there and it asks you, are you sure you want to log out? These symbols is just where you can find Discord on Twitter, on Facebook, and on Instagram. So as I said, there are not many changes you have to do as a beginner with your user settings. I suggest that you absolutely use the two-step authentication, either by using an app or by having SMS sent to your phone. All these settings could be found down at the bottom here, the little cog user settings. And to go back to Discord itself, you just X out that. So now you have set up your personal account. Next time I'm going to show you how you can find servers to subscribe to and what happens when you subscribe to a server. Until next time, hej då!